Hello friends, and today's topic is ovule culture. Before going so deep in this topic, first we should know the terminologies related to it. Like first one is ovule. What is ovule? It is that structure which developed into the seed later on after fertilization. Okay. Then second one is aseptically isolated. Aseptically isolated means without infection, separation of something without infection, without causing any infection to that thing which we are isolating for any culture or any process to be done. Then ovary. So ovary is a part of female reproductive organ of the flower or the gynoecium. It is the part of the pistil of the female which is a female reproductive organ. It is located above or below or at the point of location with the base of the petals and sepals. The ovules are present, these are attached to the placenta of the ovary, and it is attached to the it is attached by a stalk-like structure of the filament called as the funicle. Here means the ovules are present inside the ovary through a funicle, that is a filament or a stalk-like structure. Okay, so now the ovule culture. This is an experimental system by which the ovules are separated without any infection, without causing them any infection from the ovary, and they are grown aseptically on the chemically defined nutrient medium, the medium which we prepared in the laboratory artificially under the control conditions. We grow them. Okay, the culture is prepared. Then the principles, the like basis of this principle is like regeneration. Okay, where an ovary can regenerate into a fully differentiated plant. So the basic principle is regeneration, where the ovary can be regenerated into a full plant. In ovule culture, the flowers are taken from the plant, and from that the pistil which is having the ovary is removed. The ovary comprises of the ovule. By the growth on the nutrient media, it is allowed to grow there under the control condition. Then the procedure of this, that you can do this experiment, this culture of ovule with the help of unfertilized ovules or fertilized ovules. Like first collect the open flower. If the fertilized ovules you need, then collect the open flower where the anthers are dehisced, means where the pollen grains initiation has pollen grains spreading its start and pollination has taken place. To ensure the fertilization, collect the flower after 48 hours of anther dehiscence. Anther is a bilobed structure which is in which the pollen sacs are there, where the pollen grains are present. Then the removals of the sepal, petals, androecium, etc. of the flower parts from the ovaries containing the either fertilized or the unfertilized ovules. Then soak these ovaries, then rinse the ovaries, then using the sterile techniques, ovules are gently potted, okay, with the help of the spatula by breaking the funicles. I have already told you funicles are the stalk-like structure. These are the filament through which the ovules are attached, by which the ovules are attached inside the placenta of the ovary and its junction with the placental tissue. The spatula with the ovules is gently lowered, okay, into the liquid or the solid sterile medium as the culture vial is slanted about 45 degree. These are the standard condition. This protocol have to be followed step by step properly for getting a desired result of the culture, which is ovule culture, which we wanted to do. Then the damaged or the unwanted ovules are rejected. Okay, then incubation, we do it incubation at the proper temperature we needed. Then the applications of ovule culture. To obtain the viable interspecific hybrids by culturing fertilized ovule. Okay, so the viable interspecific hybrid means there is cross between two plant, okay, of this two species of the different breeds. Okay, crossing between two plant species of two different breeds. Then production of gynogenic haploids, means the result which we get from the ovule culture are called as the gynogenic haploids. Okay, then this regeneration of the parasitic plant in absence of the host. Okay, then induction of polyembryony. Polyembryony means the production of the more than one or two embryos from a single seed. Then virus irradiation means the removal of the virus. So thank you all for watching this. Stay tuned.